take a look behind you, see if you see what I see.
The Lowe's box?
Huh?
The Lowe's box?
No.
The hole in the ceiling?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I don't know if that's new or old. What's up, guys? Real quick, YouTube, we're going to do a backroom expose on what's in the back room at Jersey Discount World Headquarters. We always shoot in a room over there or in the office at the bar, so once in a while we like to show like the stuff we have in the back room, our extra inventory. So we're going to start real quick. Let me get rid of my phone. We buy a lot of stuff in bulk. We do a lot of our own packaging also, but like just because I'm here, this is our cordless tool detailer. And we bottle it ourselves to pain in the ass, but we do it, and this stuff is amazing. We've sold, I couldn't even tell you how many gallons of the stuff we sold, but it's probably close to 1,000 gallons at this point. Stuff's amazing. Made in New Jersey too. And we do a deal, we do a starter kit. You get 2 bottles, a pump, a rag, and a brush. And I think it's 25 bucks. Joe wasn't ready for that one. Okay. I bought a pallet, a literal pallet of these things. Now, when these things first came out in the market, they were over $100, and the prices have come down a little bit at least. And we're doing a closeout on these, and I believe they're $35. Yep. We don't have Nick here to give prices, so Joe, me and Joe are going to have to multitask a little bit, so bear with us. It's a 27-piece set, $35, and it's in blue, which seems to be all the rage these days. Leave in the comments below if you think we should have more blue tools made. These are on the app, the website. We have gloves. I mean, you know, literally cases and cases of glove. Leather gloves. I don't know what these are, but these are really cool. Regular gloves, but everything's on the app and website in the clearance section. And we have this is the back room, but we also have a warehouse in the back. It's a 4-bay building with extra stuff. Okay. Since I don't want to scratch my roll cart, I need a place to work. I'm going to use one of these trusty Proto, Mac Tools Proto, same company, right? Fender covers. What's a 2-pack? How much is a 2-pack, Joe?
2-pack of the Proto Fender covers are $25.
Really? That's cheap. Oh yeah, hey, and if you're local, you want to come down and buy a roll cart with slight damage, $100. Brand new. It came in damaged with a forklift blade through it, and $100. Come buy it. Okay, I've talked about these a million times because we have a lot of them, and they're gonna be gone one day, and we'll be like, I wish I had more. But this is all of them. This is the Easy Red Hex set. Slips into your wrench. I'm not gonna do. We've all talked about it, and we're also donating $25 of every set sold to Jdtco.
We're donating $5 of each $25 purchase to Jdtco.
We're donating $5 from each $25 purchase to Jdtco. Is that better?
Much better.
Because of some disparaging comments made about the Italians, right, Joe?
Right.
Funny story. My wife's maiden name is Scarnati. So when the Italians, who were very much looked down upon when it came to this country, Joe, right?
Right.
Scarnati was originally spelt with an I. My wife's last name, they changed it when they got to Ellis Island to a Y to sound more Americanized. Did you know that?
No.
True story. Yeah, no, true story. These are the Jdtco Last Chance Extractors, and this is one of our own products we had done for us. The orange. This one's orange. Jesus, I'm finding out new stuff here. This one's orange, and there's a sticker underneath that. I bet you this was a Mako one. I gotta look into that. There's a lot of shady stuff going on in the tool business, but these are ours, and they fit into a wrench. And if your nut or bolt is rounded, this will grip like nobody's business. And these are 35 bucks? 35? Where's it? Let me get the cheat sheet, Joe. 35. Yeah, again, Nick's not here. I'm gonna do a little investigating on this one. And we have a lot of these left. We bought the last remaining ones we had brought in, so it's a good deal. Okay. What else we got? 'Cause I'm gonna go right down here. Okay. Oh yeah. Guys, this is the Milwaukee 1/2-inch impact. This is the impact that changed the whole tool business, in my opinion. It's got the best warranty, 5 years. So when you buy this for 5 years, as long as you don't get this wet or run it over, Milwaukee's going to send you a new impact. We do it all the time. This is a certified A model, not a B. No issues with these. They advertise 1,400 pounds of breakaway torque, and this is probably one of our best-selling items in the store to date. We've been selling these since they've been out, years. And we have a deal going on for a beer tool, $245. We have a couple different deals going on with other tools. Check the app and website. But this is $245 for a beer tool. You know, we do some deals with batteries also. It's on or call the store. Call the store. Go on the website, app. You can find the deal that suits you best. But I'll put this up against anybody's impact. Snap-ons is twice the price, half the warranty. Air hose. I think we got a deal going on this, Joe. Is it $59 or $50?
I know the deal was 2 for $50, but I think Nick Steen might have raised the price now. Deal might be over.
So we're doing a deal, 2 hoses, and you get 2 couplers and 2 nipples for $59 or $50. It's on the Apple website.
I'll scroll it.
2 hoses, 2 nipples, 2 couplers. This is a good deal. And let me tell you something. When this is gone, that's it. The deal's over, right?
Right.
We got a bunch of these too. A lot.
Wait, can we just address the elephant in the room?
Which one, Joe? Another one?
Not the one that just wrote in. We'll address the other one.
Which one?
The one where guys screenshot stuff, deals from years ago or deals that don't exist anymore, and then they get mad at us when we don't
we just had a guy call him. Were you there for it or no?
Oh, really?
It worked out nice. He bought an impact. This is $245, right?
Right.
This and an 8.0 battery for $285. That deal's got to be 4 years old. It's got to be. Probably gonna do it. We haven't posted these yet because I wanted to get rid of these first. But these are 35-foot ear hose, and we're doing a 2-pack of these for $49. We'll do the same deal with couplers and nipples also. Make sure we get that all straightened out. Scroll. Guys, leave in the comments below what you think the use of a 35-foot ear hose is for. Do you know, Joe?
No.
I do. Leave in the comments below why you wouldn't use a 25, why you wouldn't use a 50, why you'd use a 35.
Can I take a guess?
You can.
Well, if the 25 is too short and the 50 is too long, you go with split the difference.
Very good observation, Joe. But when would that be an issue? Let's see if these guys know. We talked about the Fender covers, Proto, $25 for a 2-pack. That's next to the list. I figured I readdress it. And the other days, it was funny. In the garage, we have pallets of hammers. So we bring a few in because, I don't want to put a hole in the floor and wind up in the basement. But we never got a chance to post these. And now that we posted them, because this stack was up to here. So this is an Estwing hammer, 12 pounds. We have a 14-pound one?
We have a 14.
Yeah, I grabbed the wrong one. These are the 14-pound ones. And these are $95. And I was telling a story how Home Depot single-handedly is trying to put this company that's been around for 100 years out of business. So we bought them on closeout, and unfortunately we'll be getting a lot more closeout things. And when it's a closeout, there's a reason why it's a closeout. So maybe we should open our eyes and try to support small businesses, local or not. Stop worrying about the corporate giants. Right, Joe?
Right.
We also have the 6-pound hammers, and these are $99. And you better hurry because we don't have a lot of these left. These are great deals. These are like indestructible, unbreakable handled hammers, and they're beautiful. And they're fun to ship. Do you ever ship a hammer, Joe?
No.
This is one of our most popular deals we've done to date, and it's the 310 funnel holder. It's magnetic. It'll go on your toolbox. If you're a prima donna, it's got little rubber feet on there to protect it. These magnets, you can do a chin-up off of here. I'm telling you, these things are insane. We throw in a free funnel, and it's $29. We call it the CP deal because CP helped me introduce me to the manufacturer of this at the time. They've since sold their patent to another company, and we bought all the remaining inventory of these in. They will be gone soon. So $29. We've sold a ton of these. If you wait, you might never get one. And listen to this magnet. I'm telling you, it's crazy. 29 bucks, be the best money you ever spent. And if you're local, we don't post these, but we have veto packs. You want to call up the store. They're kind of hard with the MSRP. So call the store if you want, and we have them. Okay, one last thing. We make boots for just about every Milwaukee tool made. If there's one that you don't think that we don't have, let us know. We'll try to get it made. We have a new one coming out for the long head ratchet that should be here very soon. But we were the first person to make boots for batteries. We got them for the M12, M18, every size, from 2 to 6, and on
to 12.
Hang on, 2 to 6 M12, M18 we go from 3 to 12, right?
Right.
So, and it's funny because we come out with a lot of these boots before even Milwaukee does. We try to scoop them, and it's not easy sometimes, but we do. Okay. Guys, I hope you liked the backroom tour. I think I covered everything within reason. Get yourself a set of these two. 3-piece hose clamp pliers. You know what you start, Joe?
I think those are 14 and the right angles are 15.
Wow, Joe's good. We have them both in stock. All right, guys, it's Friday. We're going to wrap the show up. I hope you enjoyed it, and we're going to do different stuff. So leave in the comments below. We'll kind of show you what we want us to do next. We will always be, we're like, what do you call them, chameleons, Joe?
Chameleons, yeah,
We change. We'll change. Okay, guys. Like we always say, come for the price, stay for the show. Peace.